Hey friends, let's get started on our math lesson for today. So this week we're going to be reviewing coins, how to identify them, and how to count them, especially when there's a group of different kinds of coins all together. It can get a little bit tricky, so let's review it today, and then we're going to use what we know about identifying coins to fill in a graph. Okay, so we know that we have four different kinds of coins. We have pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Each coin has a front and a back, and they're each worth a different value. Let's look at the penny first. Here's the front of our penny, and here's the back. A penny is worth 1 cent. Here's a nickel. This is the front of a nickel, and this is the back of a nickel. A nickel's worth 5 cents. Next, we have a dime. Here's the front of a dime and the back of a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. Finally, we have a quarter. Here's the front of the quarter and here's the back of the quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay, now let's use what we know about identifying coins to look at a chart. So up here we've got some coins. We need to fill in this graph to figure out how much of each coin we have. Okay, so first I'm going to start with this coin up here. Now, if I need to go back and look at my chart, I'm going to attach that in the plans for you guys, so you can always go back and check it out if you need to. Oh, hey, I'm recognizing that this is a quarter. So what I can do, I'm going to cross out the quarter, and I'm going to fill in a box right here beside quarter to show that I have 1 quarter. There we go. Okay. Now I've marked off one of my coins up here. We've got a lot more to go. Let's get started on this one here. Now, that looks like a dime to me. That looks very familiar, but I'm going to go back and check my chart just to make sure. Yep, there's the dime. Okay, so I'm going to cross out the dime, then I'm going to find dime over here. There we go, and I'm going to fill in the box right beside dime to show that now we have 1 dime and 1 quarter. Okay, now I've done 2 for you, but I think you guys can do the rest. Once you finish filling in this graph, based on the coins that you see up here, I want you to answer the 3 questions that I've posted on the plans today. You've got this, guys. I'll post the chart to help you too. Good luck!